Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best TiESFONG dashcam in this video? I will show you the top 3 best TiESFONG dashcam to buy right now on your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion and research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. As the item number 3, we've selected TiESFONG 2K M10 Max Dashcam. Specifications: brand name TiESFONG, display IPS, screen ratio 4:3, view angle 105 degrees minus 140 degrees, camera resolution 2560 by 1440, video code H.265, video format MP4, max external memory 256GB, imaging sensor GC4653, pixels 500 mega, display size 3-5, chipset manufacturer M Star, frames per second 30. The item number 2 is TiESFONG RX4S Dashcam. Specifications: brand name TiESFONG, weight 200 grams, display IPS, screen ratio 16:9, view angle 105 degrees minus 140 degrees, camera resolution 1920 by 1080, video code H.265, video format MP4, max external memory 256GB, imaging sensor GC4653, pixels 500 mega, display size 3 inches, chipset manufacturer M Star, image sensor GC4653 plus G.C 2053. On the top of our list at number 1 we have TiESFONG 360 Dashcam. Specifications: brand name TiESFONG, input/output Type-C, display IPS, screen ratio 16:9, view angle 140 degrees minus 170 degrees, camera resolution 1920 by 1080, video code H.265, video format MP4, max external memory 256GB, imaging sensor GC4653, pixels 500 mega, display size 3 inches, chipset manufacturer M Star, frames per second 25.